Good, they were already filled, which you can tell they were. I like how they just plop these toys in there. That's how they should do it. I want to get a 2-in-1. Do you think I can? Maybe with the Mario. I was thinking those two Marios, but I'm going to go for... Yeah, I'm going to go for those two. That Luigi's perfect, though. They didn't even bother stacking these, but that's okay. Come on, 2-in-1. Close on both. Ah! Let's see if it even works. That was pretty weak, but then again, it's really heavy. Okay, I was gonna say, did it break? I'm so paranoid. It doesn't give me a credit. What? I bet it just registered now. Oh, wait. Okay, good. Because the one in Coeur d'Alene did that and it broke. I don't think I can get a 2-in-1. It's not as strong. At least it works, though. Then it waits like 10 minutes before I can play it again. It's so scary. It's literally shaking the whole claw. I want that one, but let me go for these two here. Oh, I almost got it. I almost got the 2-in-1. What the heck? They turn these machines down because they yell at you, you know? I don't like that. Turn them up. By the foot. I have to play this right away because it won't be taking bills by tomorrow. Hey, look. I just got $1 back. So this machine took me $19. Sweet. I just got money for the vending machine. Huh. Let's go for the brown dogs and the white duck. That little mumbo jumbo. Oh, 3-in-1. Which one of them's gonna fall? Dang it. Oh, well, I got a 2-in-1. It's alright. I got the same dog twice. Got Mary, Kate, and Ashley. Huh. Please stay, because I just gave my Mario away to a grandma whose little girl is in the hospital. Thank you. Now I don't have to go get another 20 for the Mario machine. I guess good things come to those who do good, because some grandma was like, my granddaughter's in the hospital, she had tongue surgery, and she loves Mario, and okay, fine. Can't believe that was the first try. I walk up to the vending machines and I see a free quarter. I don't do this. I don't fake these videos. I don't need to, apparently. So yeah, I just got $1.25 for free, which means this machine will only be a quarter. Let's see if it gives me any deals. That's a cool ball. Anything else? A green ball. Crap. Got that. I had to go break $3 into quarters so I can not win this dog that looks gettable. So you don't take bills. Probably won't take quarters either. Gee. Now I'm short a quarter, but I'll just use one in my pocket. Gee. This is so. Get under him. Dead zone him. Good. It was either win him or do something stupid. I miss 2019 when Sugarloaf was good. It's so sad that the vending machines are the best machines in the world. I don't think he's gettable now because of the ET boy. Thank you. Hey Miranda, how you doing? Good, how are you? All right. Which one do I want to clean out? Here, I'll do this one. There's less. That's Pepsi. I got Coke and Pepsi now. I gotta give that to my sister. I think I can only afford to clean out this one. I got popcorn. Sweet.
Put it back.
And a donut.